So hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the most common questions I used to receive from Facebook ad clients, from Facebook Messenger, from my Instagram DM. People used to ask me, what do I do? I'm trying to do this. My Facebook cost per lead is shooting up. My conversion is going down. There's a lot of questions that people used to ask me as regards Facebook ads. So I've tried to actually put all of these things into the 5 mistakes that people used to make on Facebook ads that is actually making them to get poor results or probably not getting the result that they desire. So this is going to be a tips for a successful strategy that you're going to implement in your Facebook ads business or your Facebook ads campaign that you're trying to run. So let's just dive right straight into the first mistake. So the first mistake is actually poor targeting. So what is poor targeting? What do I mean by poor targeting? People target the targeting broader audience without defining your audience is actually you wasting a lot of money on your ads. So let's say you want to run Facebook ads and you are not targeting the right people, you're not targeting the right audience, you're going to keep wasting your money. And if you don't know who is a business without the business having an ideal customer, so if you don't know who your ideal customer is, who your ideal client is, you're just going to keep losing out on money and keep wasting money on ads. Do you run targeted ads and you just use broad audience? Yes, I do that, but only when I have data or only when I have products I'm selling that is general to the public, that every single soul on this earth uses it. So apart from that, for example, I'll give you an example. Let's say I'm selling umbrella. Almost everybody that stays in Nigeria in rainy season will need an umbrella because umbrella is generic for everybody. So rather that you go out, you will need an umbrella. So if I'm trying to run an ad and I'm using that particular target interest of going zero target interest, not targeting anybody, I will not make mistakes in those kind of ads. Why? Because that particular product, I'm define the ideal customer personnel and leverage Facebook detailed targeting option to actually target those particular interests. So the next thing is actually having a poor ad copy. So beyond knowing your interest, knowing the target interest, you need to actually have a good ad copy. When you have poor ad copy, you're not going to send your message well, because for example, if you are using a generic or uninspiring copy which fails to grab attention and engage audience, you are going to make mistakes on your ads. So the first thing is that you want to make sure that after getting your audience right, you want to show them an advert, you want to show them a copy, you want to address them with their pain point so that they can be able to see your advert and it's going to grab their attention and it's engaging. So you don't want to do an ad that is not engaging. That's another mistake that people make. They do ads that is not engaging, and you're not getting people audience, you're not getting people's attention, you're not getting their time, you're just wasting your money on the Facebook advert that you're running. So one thing you want to do is to make sure that your copy is very, very, very important. It's very, very, very strong and it is key. You understand? So the solution here is that create a compelling ad copy that highlights benefits, address pain points, and include a strong call to action. Call to action is what you want these people to do after they see your advert. So the next thing is to don't neglect ad visual. This is very, very important because video is actually the next big thing. Does image convert? Yes, image still converts, but creating a very, very good and engaging video is going to help you drive sales and drive leads. So like I said, poor quality or irrelevant visual fails to capture the audience interest, and you're going to lose out on a lot of things because you're going to keep burning money without having to captivate or capitalize on the audience you are trying to captivate on their interest. You're just going to show them ads that are not relevant and add visuals that are poor. It's not going to bring in sales and leads. So what is the solution? Use high resolution and visual appealing image or videos that align with your brand and your message. What is the fourth stuff that people used to do that is very, very bad is ignoring the ad metric. So when you are running ads, make sure that you are actually looking at your metric, you are actually checking out your metric, you are checking that your metric is aligned with the goal you want to achieve. So neglecting to analyze data and metrics makes it difficult to optimize your ads and improve your ads. So if you're not optimizing your ads very well, if you're not taking results from your data, you're going to keep failing. You're going to keep failing because data is the real evidence of what you have. In your brain, you feel like this might happen, but when you run the ads, you're not getting the right data. Optimize with your data. make sure that your data is aligned with goals and objectives you want to have. So what is the solution? Regularly monitor your ad performance, track the key metrics that you are looking to achieve, and make data-driven adjustments for better results. So make sure that you are using your data to improve. If you like the video so far, if you are enjoying what you are learning so far, make sure you go to the comment section, leave me a message. Right? If you have any question, leave the question on the comment section. Or you want to work with me, you want me to run ads for you, make sure you go to the description of this video. You see a button there that says work with me. Click on it and send me an Instagram DM or send me a DM so we can get started and start working together. I can help you manage your Facebook ads, run ads campaign for you, do everything the right way for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. So, and the last tip, which is the last mistake that people make, is lack of testing and optimization. Facebook ads is about testing. You need to keep testing, test different ad variation, that's optimize based on the result of what you are getting. Don't think in your brain that because I feel like this should work and you are running ads and you are seeing that from your data you're not getting the right thing. Keep testing, keep tweaking. If you don't keep tweaking, you're going to keep failing. So what is the solution? Conduct A/B testing. Test different things that and see which one works. Experiment with different creative. Use different headlines. Use different call to action to discover what works for your target audience. So I believe you'll be able to learn these 5 common mistakes that people make, and I believe you should try avoiding them for yourself and for your businesses. I'm going to see you in my next video. So thank you for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're watching me on Facebook, follow this page. I keep make videos around make money online, digital marketing, Facebook ads, and e-commerce. I'm going to see you in my next video.